Day 14 of posting something food related every single day. Let's build IKEA's chocolate bunny together. I was excited because it was allergen friendly for me. Here it is once I took it out of the box. And then here I am completely unwrapping it. It comes with a very simple instructions page. Pretty straightforward. And then the bunny itself comes in 3 pieces. Here I am putting it together. Took me a second to figure out how to stand it up. Other than that, it's obviously very simple and very cute. My dog was very interested. Okay, see you tomorrow.